Fire in the furnace. There's a fire in the furnace. There's a fire in the furnace. But the world won't do me no harm. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. More than 2,500 years ago lived Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They loved the Lord and their love was true. So listen to the story we're telling you. King Nebuchadnezzar built an idol of gold, 6 cubits wide and 80 tall. The herald said, people, when the trumpet sounds, you better fall down and worship it on the ground. The king's got power and he ain't no fool, and if you go against his wishes, that ain't cool. So beware, take care, now do as I say, or we'll throw you in the furnace this very day. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. Now Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, this one thing all three did know, that if they keep their faith, and their faith was strong, no power on earth could do them wrong. So the 3 brave men chose to disagree, and not go along with the king's decree. They said to worship that statue would be a sin. The Lord's gonna save us from the fix we're in. Now the king was furious and full of rage, and even the form of his visage was changed. He said, fire up the furnace, stay out of my way. Ain't nobody gonna treat the king this way. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. Cast down in the furnace, the 3 did go. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Hotter and hotter, 7 times more. Nebuchadnezzar's gotta settle the score. But the king was in for a big surprise. He looked into the furnace, and before his eyes, in the middle of the flame, 4 men trod, and the form of the 4th was like the Son of God. The king stepped forth from the fire's mouth and said, I've been changed, now come on out. You walk through the heat, through the fiery coals. I know I've been wrong, but now bless my soul. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. Fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, there's a fire in the furnace. Good God, there's a fire in the furnace. Oh Lord, but the world won't do me no harm. But the world won't do me no harm. But the world won't do me